Hey there, business owners. In today's digital world, securing your business's Wi-Fi network is absolutely essential to protect sensitive information and maintain a safe online environment. First things first, use strong encryption methods like WPA3. It's the latest and most secure option available. And don't forget to set up a unique, complex password. This can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your network. Make sure all devices connected to your Wi-Fi network have the latest security measures in place. This includes software updates and antivirus protection to prevent any potential breaches. Avoid using default network names or SSIDs, and definitely change those default login credentials for your routers and access points. Consider setting up a guest network for visitors to keep them separate from your main business network. One way to ramp up your Wi-Fi security is by utilizing a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN adds an extra layer of protection by encrypting all data transmitted over your network. Properly configuring your router settings can also help. Disable any unnecessary features, change those default login credentials, and regularly update your router's firmware to patch any vulnerabilities. By implementing these measures and staying informed about the latest security protocols, you can safeguard your business's Wi-Fi network from potential threats. This ensures a secure online environment for all users. Remember, securing your Wi-Fi network is not only crucial for protecting your sensitive data, but also for maintaining the trust of your customers and stakeholders. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.